Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To all my subscribers out there, I definitely appreciate you guys. Welcome back. To everyone who is tuning in for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Before you guys leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can stay up to date on future build videos and reviews. All right, so for today's video, we will be doing an unboxing and review of Revell's 125 scale Corvette C7R. All right, let's take a look at some of this gorgeous box art. All right, a little information. As you can see, this kit has 64 parts, so nothing too overwhelming. All right. Gorgeous car. All right, for this kit, of course, everything is molded in white. What I definitely like is how the bumpers are molded into the body. So less parts put together makes for a better paint job, in my opinion, and a better build when everything comes as one piece. All right. Panel lines are pretty good. I probably still, of course, scribe to make them a little bit deeper. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Not too much flash. Not too bad. All right, on this sprue, of course, we have the engine. And as you can see, the headers and exhaust are all one piece. Here we have some more of the engine. And I see some pedals for the interior, as well as a driver's side screen. As you can tell in this kit, the engine is very well detailed. So we have some more engine parts, fan belts, and we also have the radiator fan on this sprue. Now here we have the front and rear brake rotors and calipers. So not too many parts, not too much detail. My original plan was to actually order the photo etch parts for this kit, but the delivery will take well over a week. And I wanted to get right into this build, so I decided not to wait. I am, however, still going to order the parts and use those for a different build in the future. And here you have more engine parts. It looks like the actual engine cover for the engine. All right, it's like the front grille. All right. On this sprue, we have the actual roll cage for the vehicle. All right, here we have the dashboard and interior. Looks pretty well detailed. The hood and side view mirrors. All right. The outside of the doors. door panels. All right, and right here we have the actual interior. So this is definitely pretty well detailed. It's definitely all one piece, which I said before is a good thing. I like when the molds come in one piece. Still makes for some great detailing. As you can see, only one seat goes in here. All right, on this sprue, we have the Solo Bucket Racing seat, okay? As you can see, the steering wheel is right there. And we have the rims. This is pretty much the bottom of the car. It's all just one piece. So I'll probably do a little bit of panel scribe and not too much detail on the bottom at all. Here we have the front, rear, and side windows. You see it's already trimmed in black, so that's one less step that I have to do, which I definitely don't mind that one bit. And as you can see, it's all in one piece, so it just snaps up into the top, the inside of the car. All right, and here we have the headlight covers. All right, here we have 4 slicks. Might need a little bit of sanding. Of course, you can see the mold lines right there in the middle. A little bit of sanding to take that right out. All right, and they come with 2 metal rods for the front and the back. All right, so I'm guessing that the wheels should roll on this one. Decal sheet, these decals look to be of high quality. All right, Mobile 1, C7.R. A lot of small decals over here, so you definitely have to be careful, but all in all, they look great. Decals for the interior, for the tires. Nice. Take a look at these instructions. Now, I will say these instructions look actually great. Looks very well detailed. And they do not look confusing like some of the other directions I've come across. And here you have the back, which tells you where all of the decals go. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Make sure, if you have not done so already, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, and stay tuned for the future build videos of this model.